Oop, I don't know what happened there. I don't know. Anyway, so today is an exciting day because guess what? I keep saying guess what, but you already know. If there's a big white box, it's from Lawless. Yes, I thought they dropped me or they were not gonna send me anything because I've been seeing people receive stuff from them and they didn't send me their, I think their lip plumpers, the cherry vanilla ones, and I seen people I follow receive those. So oh, that's cool. Oh, maybe they're adding new people or they just wanted to send me one or two things and that's it. But no, months after, and they sent me this box. I don't know if it's from the same cherry vanilla lip plumper collection or it's something else, but that's pretty much it. Oh, I'm matching. I don't know what it is. Let's see. So they send big boxes, pure boxes. So this is so big. Okay, let's see. Okay, so it says forget the filler balm sticks. So I do love lip balm. It's one of my favorite makeup products and I always repurchase because I always run out of them because I need them. I didn't put some today, so yeah. Oh yeah, they're lip plumper smoothing tinted. Okay, so yeah, this collection is not the one that I was saying. I didn't receive the other one, but they skipped me on that one, but they sent me this, so it's pretty cool because I actually do need lip balm, so I'm happy because I don't use a lot of lip plumpers, so it's fine. So all of them fell anyway, so they always send you like a big book for you to read. So this is available already. It says February the 3rd at Sephora, but this just arrived yesterday, which is what, the 7th of February. I don't know, but okay. All right. Ooh, I actually like how it looks. It looks natural and pink. Okay, so I'm excited for that. Ooh, a lip plumping mask. That's pretty cool. I've never heard of that before, which I need lip plumping products because you already know, girl, I don't have any lips and I'm gonna look like this at only 40 years old. No, I mean, if you don't have lips, that's fine, but me okay, anyways, whatever. So this is $26, so it's pretty pricey. Their brand is pretty pricey, but their ingredients are very healthy and safe for you to use. So that's why it's kind of good. Like, it's worth the price if you think about it. But and some of their products are good, so you already know. I just like it. So those are all the shade swatches and ooh, okay, so I'm pretty sure I received all of these. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Damn, they sent me 7. It's okay. So the next page, I feel like I'm a teacher, like teaching somebody something, because I'm showing out the freaking book. Anyway, so okay, so this is the lip mask, the lip balm, and then what says the gloss, lip plumping gloss. Okay, I'm excited for these because I already know how they're plumping. Oh wait, I feel like I already have not the same shade but the same product, I think. So yeah, this is how it looks. So supposedly after an hour you notice your lips more hydrated, and after a week you notice your lips getting smoother. All right, so okay, so far people are liking this, supposedly here, and I think she's the CEO. So this, you can find their page on Instagram, everywhere. So yeah. Okay, so next I'm just gonna show you. I'm so excited. It fell everywhere, but I just want to show y'all the presentation. So it's so hard because I don't want to make a mess. Okay, yeah, they sent me all of their shades. Wow, thank you, Lawless. They're very nice and generous. Like, with 1 or 2 I'll be just happy, but damn, 7. Okay, so their packaging is very sleek. My hair felt it red. So first one is pink marshmallow, which is the pink one, the baby pink. So okay, so this is how the packaging looks, really close. Okay, so no, okay, so let's see. Ooh, it kind of has a little bit of a scent, but not really. So look how pretty it is. It's very pretty. It's light pink. It looks like a lip balm, just with color. It looks very okay. So I just swirled it up, yank it up all the way to the top, and that's all the product it has, which for the price, you know, that's way too little for me, to be honest, but you know what I'm saying. But it looks pretty nice, so I'm gonna test it out right now because I'm matching. So I'm gonna use this pink one. So this is how my lips look before. Okay, now I'm gonna use this. Okay, it's kind of dry, not gonna lie, but okay, now it's smooth. Okay, I don't really see a color or anything. It's very light, so, but it feels nice. It feels very smooth on the lips. It doesn't feel crusty. Oh, never mind. I think there's the pink. I think I see the pink now. Okay. This feels nice. I don't feel anything. Maybe a little bit refreshing, but not really. It's more like simple. I don't really feel super hydrating, but it is hydrated. It's smooth, so okay. So that's that. Oops. My hair got stuck when I closed it. So okay, first impressions, I think it's pretty nice. Okay, so the next shade is Baby Doll, which is a brighter pink, which is which one? Okay, this one. So let's see how this one looks. Oh, I think I should do swatches. Oh, it's a very pretty pink. So this one's more of a Barbie pink. So I can wanna swatch. It's a little bit darker, but I don't notice a whole lot of a difference. It's still very sheer. It's not so noticeable. It doesn't look like I have any color lip balm. It kind of looks clear with a little bit of a tint. It's not gonna be so pigmented, so don't get scared if you see this hot pink and then you put it on, because look, it looks like a baby soft pink, you know. So this is definitely good for every day, not so much for, you know, going out. I mean, you can use it to go out, but it's not so intense. So I'm just gonna swatch the lip balm. So okay, you see, it's very light pink, so it's very pretty. It's smooth. Oh, it kind of looks shiny there. So okay, I like it. So pretty. So the same formula, scent, everything. The only thing different are the shades. So let me swatch this light one. Okay, you see, yeah, this one looks so clear. You can barely see I put anything on. So I know I'm gonna use this one a lot more because I personally prefer no colored lip balms, because I use it all the time and really fast, and I don't want to make a mess. And you know, lip balm for me is just to soothe and like moisturize my lips more than color, you know, to add a little bit color. But people prefer also lip color. It just depends of your preference. But I do like color lip balms, but it's not what I usually go for. So yeah, the next shade is Lover. So it's like a pinkish, mauvish, reddish. No, it's like a mauve. I don't know. Yeah, it looks pretty dark. Well, it looks red here, like a brick red, like a brown red. Not. I thought it was gonna be more like a mauve pink. I don't know why, but I love the shade though. Wow, it looks so pretty. So this one, looks darker. Okay, so let me swatch this. I should probably clean my lids. You see, it's a slight pink red tone. It's not so dark. I keep forgetting to do close-ups of the other ones. I totally forgot. Okay, so I think I like this one too. I like these three. They're very pretty. Okay, so the next shade is Posy. I found it. So it looks the same but a little bit darker. Oh, it looks more lighter though. It's more like a mauve tone, so dusty rose tone. So let me swatch. Okay, my swatches aren't bad, but you see they're very similar, but they're not. So I missed the. Okay, I don't notice so much of a difference color wise. It looks the same as the other ones. I don't know. Maybe look. Oh, maybe because I'm mixing all the shades together. I don't freaking know. Wow, don't get me wrong. I do love the colors. They're very pretty. The shades. I would wear all of these. All of these look natural. They don't look intense. So okay. So the last two. Okay, I'm gonna swatch Georgie now. So. Ooh, okay, it looks like a orangey one. So let's see. Okay, is this one? Okay, let me put this a little bit on. Okay, yeah. I think when I do swatches, I'm gonna do it without a lip balm, like instead of reapplying, yeah, because I don't notice the difference. But I don't feel like reapplying, like. So the last one I'm gonna use is, oh, this one's very dark and pretty. It's a vampy color. So wow. Okay, so let's see. Ooh. Okay, it's this one. Kind of looks big. Okay, so wow, first impressions. I love these lip balms. They look so nice. Look how natural and juicy and healthy my lips look without being too much extra. So these I recommend. I like them. So yeah, those are all the swatches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all pretty everyday shades. So yeah, I know I'm gonna put this everywhere on my bag, next to my bag. When I go out, I'm gonna use this a lot. So yay, thank you so much, Lawless. They're so pretty. Okay, so the next thing is this Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. And then this one's big. The ones they sent me, they were smaller. But okay, this one is bigger and it looks clear, and I like their bottle. It's very frosted. It looks pretty nice. So you see the difference, and I love their lip plumpers. They work. They feel cooling, refreshing on the lips, and they don't sting, they don't burn. They actually look pretty. They look natural. I just like their lip plumpers. It looks like you're just wearing gloss. It doesn't even look like you're using a lip plumper, because when you use lip plumper and you get burns right here, or not burns, but it looks like red overline. I don't know, I just don't like it. This, you don't get that. So obviously, if you want to buy a lip plumper, just buy from this brand. Trust me, you're not gonna go back. Literally, that's how good it is. And no, I don't have a discount code, and I'm not getting paid, so they're just sending this for. Ooh, even the wand is so chunky. It looks so big. I've never seen this style of shape or size. Okay, they're an inclusive brand. They're giving the plus size wands out here instead of the little skinny ones. So this is so new. I never seen this. So okay, you see, it looks very glossy and it's not watery, but it's not super thick. It's a good in between, which I like, and it doesn't have a scent. So oh, I shouldn't have swatched it there because now I'm gonna be plumped. Oh, so for this I am gonna have to clean my lid. Let's see. Okay, kind of left a stain in my lids, so that's nice. Look, it looks like my natural lip color. Okay, you see. Oops, I thought I cleaned that right, but I guess not. I guess I didn't wipe myself right. Oh, also, you see, it doesn't look like I'm wearing a lip plumper, just gloss. So let's wait for a little bit and see if it plumps my lips. So for now, I don't see anything happening. It's just glossy and it feels very smooth and nice, just like the other lip balms. So okay, the next thing is the last thing. This is their Sweet Dreams Forget the Filler Overnight Lip Plumping Mask. So I don't have a lip mask, which I need, so I was happy to receive this because I am happy to receive this. I said it past tense, I don't know why, but yeah, this is in the Sweet Dreams. I guess they have other shades, I don't know. Let me see. Oh, it comes out like this. This one's so tiny and so cute. Okay. Oh, I love the color. It's like a peachy pink. So I don't know how to use a lip mask, but I guess like a lip balm, you just stab it in there and put it. I don't freaking know, but it doesn't have a scent. And oh, it feels very pretty. Very pretty. It feels very moisturizing, like the traditional lip balm. So okay. I don't know if I should test it out right now because I don't know. Look, I don't see any lip plumping effect yet. I don't know. I don't feel anything. Do y'all see anything? I don't know. I just look like I put gloss, right? I don't know. But the other one, I think I did see more. But I also put lip liner, and yeah, I don't know if it's just my mind tricking me or I don't see lip plumping effect. But even though I don't see anything, I'm still gonna use it as a regular gloss because this looks and feels nice, right? Those are all the swatches. These lip balms 26 and the gloss 25. So in case y'all are interested and want to buy them. So damn, so it has good reviews. Everybody likes this. Okay. Oh wow, thank you, Lawless. I can still can't believe it. They have big dick energy. They're just like here. They don't even have to tell you anything. They just send it to you. But anyway, so I'm putting it all backwards. Okay, so I think it has collagen. What increases collagen? Okay, I need this. And increases lip volume. It reduces lip folds. Okay, I don't know. I think that's only with cosmetic surgery, but I don't forget. Let's see if that. I mean, I don't know. Oh, I don't see. And I'm not a lip gloss person, but now I think I'm starting to be. It looks pretty. It looks nice and healthy. It looks like you're not trying, but you're cute looking. Thanks for watching. Okay, so yeah, bye.